GAME stock analysis and GAME stock prediction game. All I'm gonna do in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play with GameSquare holdings. It's kind of interesting because I think my thumbnail is crooked. It's absolutely crooked, especially here where I know it's in this correction phase with 13% down, but after a crazy pump, that's totally fair. Last thing that I would do is immediately start buying. So it's kind of in the middle where I'm waiting for the correction, so mainly going to be tomorrow. And if I do see a proper shift, even from here, that's also fine, like a shift like this, then there's nothing stopping me from taking things further up. Now, if you really look at ranges, probably this would have made a lot more sense. But honestly, if it's actually already breaking here, nothing stopping me from doubling down on that. This is my discretion, right? I'm speaking with 43,000 videos of experience. Now, this doesn't mean you take this as gospel. No, please, you're under diligence. But I'm saying I'm showing you what's working for me. In my idea, it's not financial advice. So, if you want my exact play, picks and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already got enrolled.